That's where our 41-day window comes from. Analysts believe we're about to enter a high-volatility Altcoin window where smaller projects can surge by 200%, 500%, or even more. Historically, the biggest profits in crypto often come right after Bitcoin stabilizes and before the mainstream hype kicks in. So, if history repeats itself, the coming 41 days could deliver the best opportunities for those holding undervalued altcoins, and the two coins we're about to discuss fit perfectly into this moment. Point 1. Project NOVA, the AIX DeFi powerhouse. The first altcoin on our list is Project NOVA. NOVA, an emerging AI-powered DeFi platform that's rapidly gaining traction for its unique ability to blend artificial intelligence with decentralized finance. In simple terms, NOVA aims to make DeFi smarter. Its AI-driven engine monitors liquidity pools, yield farms, and staking protocols across multiple blockchains. It then automatically adjusts investment strategies based on real-time market conditions, something no traditional DeFi protocol does efficiently today. Think of NOVA as your personal crypto fund manager, except it's powered by AI, runs 24/7, and doesn't charge outrageous fees. This project is part of the growing AI DeFi hybrid narrative, one of the fastest rising sectors in the crypto market heading into 2020 with it. Why NOVA could explode. Major exchange listing. Rumors are swirling about a Tier 1 exchange listing within the next month, right inside our 41-day prediction window. Exchange listings historically trigger massive short-term price surges due to increased liquidity and visibility. AI narrative regeneration. AI tokens like FET, AGIX, and OCEAN saw enormous gains earlier in 2020 with it. As the AI narrative reignites, investors are hunting for the next undervalued AI crypto, and NOVA's strong fundamentals put it near the top of that list. Strong economics. NOVA's circulating supply is below 20%, meaning the majority of tokens are locked, staked, or held by long-term investors. This creates a scarcity effect, one of the key drivers of explosive rallies. Team and partnerships. The project is backed by a development team with experience in both blockchain and machine learning. They've announced collaborations with AI startups working on predictive analytics, expanding NOVA's ecosystem beyond finance. Price outlook. At the moment, NOVA trades around 0.45, but several analysts see it climbing towards 0.50 20 in the near term. A 3x to 4x gain. If the AI DeFi sector continues to grow, and NOVA lands its rumored exchange listing, the token could reach 1 or more by early 2020. Beyond price action, the technology behind NOVA is what truly excites investors. If it successfully delivers on its AI yield optimization system, it could transform the DeFi landscape, making smart contracts smarter and helping investors earn more with less risk. Point 2. SOLIX, the layer 2 engine for Web3 gaming. Our second coin to watch is SOLIX. SLX, a next-generation layer 2 blockchain designed to supercharge Web3 gaming and NFTs. For years, blockchain games have faced three major problems: high transaction fees, slow network speeds, and limited scalability. SOLIX solves all three. Built as a layer 2 solution on Ethereum, SOLIX can process thousands of transactions per second with 90% lower gas fees, making it ideal for games that require constant microtransactions and in-game NFT trading. Imagine massive open-world games where every in-game item from skins to weapons exists as a real NFT, tradable on-chain instantly and cheaply. That's the vision of SOLIX. Upcoming catalysts. What makes SOLIX especially exciting right now are its upcoming events and strategic partnerships. The mainnet launch is officially scheduled for November 25th, exactly 41 days away. That timing perfectly aligns with our short-term prediction window. The project has already announced 3 major gaming studio partnerships, with developers currently building Web3 titles on SOLIX's testnet. The launch will also introduce staking and validator incentives, rewarding early adopters and giving investors a reason to lock up their SLX tokens. On-chain activity shows large wallets quietly accumulating SLX over the past few weeks, a classic sign that whales are preparing for a major breakout. Technical analysis and price forecast. Currently, SLX is trading between 0.12 and 0.15, forming a strong accumulation base. If momentum builds after the mainnet launch, the price could climb to 0.50 70 in the short term. Over a longer horizon, as adoption grows, it's possible for SLX to reach 2 or even higher in 2020. The gaming narrative is set to be one of the strongest sectors of the next bull market. Projects that enable smoother integration between Web2 studios and Web3 infrastructure will lead the charge, and SOLIX is positioning itself as the go-to solution. The risk and reward balance now. Let's talk about risk because every great opportunity carries it. While both NOVA and SOLIX show strong potential, the crypto market is inherently volatile. Prices can swing wildly based on news, sentiment, or macroeconomic shifts. That's why it's important to manage expectations and always do your own research. Look beyond hype. Study tokenomics, development activity, and community growth. These factors determine which projects survive and which fade away. The good news? Both NOVA and SOLIX tick many of the right boxes: active development, upcoming catalysts, and rising investor interest. And with their relatively small market caps, it doesn't take billions of dollars to move their prices significantly. If you diversify wisely, time your entries, and stay disciplined, these next 41 days could present one of the best asymmetric opportunities of the year. The strategy for the next 41 days: here's how smart investors approach windows like this. They accumulate early, before catalysts occur. They look for low-cap, high-conviction projects that have upcoming launches, partnerships, or listings. Then, they monitor the market closely and scale out profits as hype builds. In this case, keeping an eye on NOVA's exchange listing news and SOLIX's mainnet launch could be critical. These events will likely bring in new investors and trading volume, both key ingredients for a rally. Timing is key. The crypto market moves fast, and early positioning often makes the difference between 2x gains and 20x gains. If the broader market sentiment stays bullish and Bitcoin remains stable, these two coins could easily outperform the rest of the market through November and December. The big picture: so, what makes this particular 41-day window so special? It's a convergence of several market forces: Bitcoin's temporary stabilization after a strong rally, a growing rotation of liquidity from large caps into mid and low caps, renewed narratives around AI, gaming, and layer 2 solutions, exactly where NOVA and SOLIX sit. Every bull cycle has its defining themes. In 2017, it was ECOS. In 2021, it was NFTs and DeFi. In 2025, all signs point toward AI-driven protocols and Web3 gaming leading the next wave of adoption. If that plays out, both of these projects could be early frontrunners in their categories, positioning themselves for exponential growth once the next bull run fully ignites. Final thoughts: the crypto market rewards the prepared, not the lucky. Right now, while most retail investors are distracted or hesitant, opportunities are quietly forming beneath the surface. Projects like NOVA and SOLIX offer that rare blend of innovation, timing, and narrative strength that can turn modest investments into life-changing gains. In the next 41 days, we'll likely see a wave of volatility and excitement sweep through the altcoin space. Whether it's driven by AI integration, gaming innovation, or new DeFi utilities, these emerging narratives could reshape the market heading into 2026. So, which one do you think has more potential? Project NOVA, the AI-driven DeFi platform that could revolutionize yield optimization, or SOLIX, the gaming layer to that might redefine blockchain entertainment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, timing in crypto is everything. If history repeats itself, the next 41 days could be the most profitable stretch of the year for smart investors who spot the trend early. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Because in crypto, being early isn't just important, it's everything.